Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to create thumbnail on Canva. So first of all we will open canva.com. Here you can see I open Canva. This is the home page of Canva. So in search bar I type YouTube thumbnail. So you can see there are a lot of thumbnails available on canva.com. So easily we can changing and between them and create according to our requirement. So for example I click on this YouTube channel. You can see YouTube thumbnail. So you can see there are a lot of thumbnails available. So for example I want to change this one. So you can see this one, this picture, and business strategy. I will click on this double side and back to space, and I will type straight line, straight life. So straight life. So this one is will be deleted. So you can see this one, straight life. So I will be delete this one, and also so here you can easily changing in your thumbnail. Delete, also delete on tutorial, small it. So replace background, click to back, and click on this right side. Yes, this one. So click on the right side. So this one. So your thumbnail is ready. So I hope now you have an idea how to create thumbnail on Canva. So if I want to create and create another thumbnail, so for example we will click on this. So easily we can changing in our thumbnail, small it, this one, small them, and on the right side. So easily you can create thumbnail on Canva. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. So I hope now you have an idea how to create thumbnail on Canva. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.